The Collection to Fund module is a vital part of the CiviQ community ERP system. It's designed to streamline the financial management of associations and gated communities. This module provides a transparent and structured system for collecting financial contributions from members and accurately distributing them to specific dedicated fund accounts. This way, all collected money is segregated by purpose, ensuring accountability and clarity in the community's finances. Let's get an overview of the community PACE. The main collection page provides a real-time snapshot of your community's active fundraising activities. Here you'll see the module's title, which confirms its function of collecting funds and crediting them to specific financial accounts. All account collections are displayed in the default filter view, showing all collections that are currently open and running. Each active collection, including its name and dates, is detailed in the collection from item list. The projection collect is the total estimated amount expected to be collected from the community, based on the unit amount and the number of units. The collected amount represents the total cumulative amount that has been successfully paid by members to date. Now, let's create a new collection. From the main dashboard, go to the Create New Collection section. Click on Create, and a new form will appear for you to input the new collection details. Choose the specific fund account where the money collected from the campaign will be credited. In this case, we'll choose the Sports Fund and set the start date as the 3rd of October. The due date will be the 30th. The amount per unit is the exact financial amount that each contributing unit is required to pay. For this example, we'll set it at $15,000. The collection name will be October 2025 Sports Fund. Next, select the groups that will be notified and tagged for this collection. You can choose to send notifications to all groups by checking the box, or select a specific group, such as the Sports Group or Festival Group, to target the collection only to relevant members. In this case, we'll choose the Sports Group. Finally, click on Create to finalize the process. The collection will become immediately active and visible on the main collection page. To set up a collection that repeats at regular intervals, ideal for mandatory fees like monthly maintenance, use the Schedule Collection function. Click on the Schedule Collection button. A new form will pop up asking for the schedule collection details. Select Fund Account and choose the fund account, for example like Sports One Cut. Press the Purpose font, then set the start date, for instance, from the 8th of October. Set the due date, for example, the 30th of October. Next, fill in the amount per unit, say $1,500. Name the collection, for instance, October 2025 Corpus Font. If you want to add more collections, you can do so. If not, then move to Collect From Groups. Choose the specific group to target for mandatory regular collection. This typically includes all members of the Purpose Fund. Once you have filled in all the details, click Save. The system will now automatically create and launch this collection on the specific start date. The CiviQ Collection to Font module ensures financial transparency by strictly linking contributions to a detailed font account. The system uses user group targeting for precise communications and accountability. It also provides the option to create new collections for one-time needs and schedule collections for recurring fees. CiviQ streamlines and automates your community's financial operations.